So we've got an absolute unicorn of a car today. This is a 2010 60 registration BMW 118 M Sport Convertible. Same owner since 2013, done less than 74,000 miles. And the reason we're calling it a unicorn is because it is absolutely incredible in terms of condition and drive. I'll do a full round in a second, but the car itself is virtually immaculate. You're never going to find another car like this at all, and it makes a mockery of the Auto Trader pricing because this is a unicorn car. There's nothing else like this on the market for this price. So in terms of condition, you can see from the video, bodywork is impeccable. Wheels have been fully refurbished, and the car itself is just incredible. For a 15-year-old car, you're not going to find anything else like this. Roof works perfectly, no leaks, no creaks, no bangs. Everything's all very, very good on the car. You can see the roof there, no rips, no tears, all in fantastic condition. Just the back end of the vehicle as well. There is the odd bit that we haven't done, like you can see the window trim's just got slight delamination, but I think everybody would agree that you're not going to find another car like this. 100 of these cars for sale, I would virtually guarantee that all of them will have dents, scuff, dings, scuff wheels, all that kind of thing on them. As you can see when I'm walking around this car, it is like new. And this is the interior. Black leather, heated seats, climate control. Now for someone that wants a convertible, wants something they can keep for a long time, something that's economical, something that looks fantastic, and the value proposition on this car is just exceptional. We've got this car marketed for £5,000, which according to Auto Trader is a very high price, but in reality it's what the market should be for the car. So we've got two keys to this car, original books, service history. It's had quite a bit of work done to it with new tyres and bits and pieces, but the previous owner that had it, as I said, has had it for 12 odd years. She didn't really drive that much, and I promised her that I'm going to sell it to somebody that's going to appreciate the car. So hopefully we can find a nice new owner for the vehicle that is going to appreciate the car and take care of it, keep it in the immaculate condition it's in, and enjoy it for the next however many years. As with all our cars, 6 months warranty, 12 months MOT, 12 months AA roadside assistance. Car's on our website now, check it out. As I said, it is a complete unicorn car, and hopefully we can find a buyer for it that's going to take care of it.